Kusola ukuthi Sicuku sifike endlini Elvis Nyathi ngensimbi yelishumi ebusuku. Kwaba khona lababuta ukuthi akuphi amapassport alabantu labatholakala kulendlu. Emva kwaloko ubese uhudvulwa ngenkani washaywa ngematshe ngembiko kokhelwa ngemlilo. Ubese uyathathwa lana washaywa ngematshe wase uyashiswa.
Ubuhlungu ukuthi manje ubulewe mina kangimbonanga ngigcine khona pha besuka naye. Ngizobethi sebulewe ngitshelwa ngumna wakhe esehamba wajike epolice ukuthi ayibuza ukuthi ukuphi bamthola ukuthi uchiselwe lana wamfonelwa nje ukuthi ubaba ngwakho seshonile bamshisile.
Lo munye lotibonele lobekafunza na Elvis ngaphambilini uchaze ngala kubonile.
Lo muntu sesiqeda ukubhekelela uzalo baqala abantu kunokha lana bedinga otsotsi bona bacabanga ukuthi sizobethi passport la abantu bazama ucatshela ama passport.
Umakhelwane nabo bachaze ngendlela labacele ngayo ukuthi bakhombe isithumbu sa Elvis.
Bangirilo umuntu ngirobeki.
Kufike amaphoyisa endlini angikhipha athi ngiyokhomba isithumbu mangifika kuso abuta ukuthi nguyini Elvis. Ngabatshela ukuthi angimadi mina.
Libelela karno akumadzivi.
Tikhulu temaphoyisa beti kulendzawo njengoba tiphinze tavakashela lapho kwendeke khona lesehlakalo.
The fact that there is somebody who died does not mean the situation is out of control. We have deployment in this area, there are police, and we have made more than 24 arrests.
Having senior detectives here who has put quite a top team to pursue this, but not only this and other cases that have taken place here at eDiepsloot.
Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uyasihlaba kakhulu lesehlakalo.
We're consulting on all sides, people who live there in eDiepsloot, and also listening very closely to their concerns. But we will not condone any criminality, any form of criminality which results in the death of anyone. Is not acceptable, and we will take action to deal with it.
Cele utawuphinza buyele eDiepsloot kusasa.